Memphis Belles, James? It was 1990, which makes me feel incredibly old.
I actually watched it again not very long ago. I have to say, I thought it really held up. On the other hand, they are designed for so that's why nearly 50% of all those who flew in Bomber Command didn't make it home. It's always a payoff. I remember talking to slice through more than 3/4 of the fuselage just in front of the tailplane. Yeah, that's more than enough on that illusions. It's still made at home. That's the amazing thing. We're getting a very good taste for what the Messerschmitt looked like, what it would do in the air.
So the P-47 and both the Bouchons now landed. Dave and John bringing those Bouchons down rows very well and taxiing into park as we watch our three ship of P-51s putting on quite a dazzling performance in their aerobatic routine.
type. By beginning of 1944 or end of 1943, that's more like 100 hours or even less, 90. And of course, it's complete lambs to the slaughter.